Howdy folks, how are we doing? We are on the wheat. We're in our biggest field, 50 acres, and our neighbours round here they're also cutting as well. So we'll have a bit of a look at their kit, because they've got some impressive gear, they have. So we've got a brace of Fence 724, so the big horse chaser bin. Of course, there's the combine over there. She is a 780. That one's very wise. He's got a firefighting tank on the front with hose and everything. Right, there's a smart box on the front of the 2.4 as well. Look at that. Oh, that is a horn. I think that's a bit louder than my horn. I reckon that is a monstrous horn. What a monstrous combine. I mean, it's quite fitting, you know, little and large. That is the, you know, it's a 780, the biggest combine that Claas build. Well, I'm going to say build. I mean, obviously it's, you know, it's the old range now, but it was the flagship. Then you've got our little 310 over there. When she was built, she was the smallest in the range. How, you know, how things have moved on. Old meets new. Smart. Yeah, that is a good thing to see. Yes, it's probably only 1500 litres, but it's better than nothing. Especially obviously with the fire we had the other day. It's something we might just look into getting, you know, just so you got something with you. But you know, you never know, do you, lot? You really never know. But it's good to see anyway, because obviously these boys are, you know, big contractors around here, cover thousands of acres, lot. So you know, they've got some fair kit and they cover some acres and miles. So good to see though, good to see. What a monstrous machine. Obviously the MacDon flex draper header on the front. Full suspension on it. Can follow literally any curve. Hell of a setup. Impressive. Big 780's just unloading again. Look at that, he's showing off. He's cutting width out so he can go work across the field and work back again. That's just showing off, that is. But what an impressive rig, impressive header as well, lot. So I am just nipping back to the combine just to get the last tank full, then I shall take this back to the yard and tip it. I know it certainly wouldn't take long if we had that 780 in here. We'd never keep up with it though, down the other end. That is the trouble. That's half the reason why we haven't got you know, well, we haven't got a bigger combine, because with the bins we can't, you know, we can't get rid of it quick enough. So if we had a bigger combine, all the combine would do is just be sat there waiting for us to get back, because it'd just take us too long to put it up the auger. So you know, that's why we've only got a little combine. It suits our system, you know, simple as. So I'm just tipping up the auger. Now I took the Richard's tractor up there, and Richard bought this one, and because I normally drive it, I don't get to see it, you know, being driven very often. But when he come into the field, God, it looked good. I mean, it really did look good. She does look a treat now, you know, with everything done on the lot. Yeah, I was sort of like, yeah, that's a nice looking tractor. So that just made me smile, that did, lot. Anyway, yeah, we are busy tipping into bin 2 now. Bin 3 is full. And yeah, it's going alright. Although you look over there, normally when we go over to Caldecott, this field we're in, it normally rains, because it's so, you know, it's one of our furthest away fields, and it normally ends up raining. We normally have to come back, you know, we pack up, and then we have to then go back over there again. And yeah, it don't look great over there. They do say there's an odd shower about, and no doubt we'll catch it, won't we? So check this bloody fold out. He's just come out the roundabout on top of the flyover without looking, and now he's going to ride down the A1. What are you going to do? Honest, what a blooming idiot. Absolute bloody idiot. He must have a blooming death wish. Can't overtake in a minute, so many cars coming past. Absolute bloody moron. Honestly, he must have a death wish, that's all I can say. Seen it all now, I tell you. I mean, they do sometimes have cycle races up and down the A1, but that's on a Sunday morning when it's quiet, with no, you know, with all signs and everything about. But just to go and pop on the A1 just for a ride, bloody idiot. Right, the big boys are done. They're waiting to come out. Looks like we've got a load of parts in the gateway. It's half handy. See, I think he's through for me, or yes. That's a fair old rig, that is. Basically holds one trailer load, that does that bin. Yeah, so what, that field was 8 acres. Oh, I don't know what this one is up here. Say 20. It took them long to knock that out, has it not? We've got the Fenton 4220 there. Gotta love 42, isn't it? Gotta love 42. She's nice, she's nice. To be honest, I'd say that field's a bit bigger. It's probably 40 acres, something like that. Soon smashed that out, didn't they? Well, we're plodding on quite well. We've done that much so far. Father-in-law's just topping up Richard's tractor. We'll take that back and go and tip that, and we'll keep going. We've got, like I say, we've got 3 tractors on it. All the 2 T7s and the fast track, so we can crack on like. There we are. I told you every time we go to Caldecott it blooming rains. I mean, granted it's raining here at the minute and not at Caldecott. Well, I don't think it's raining at Caldecott, but give it time, that will find its way over there. It's not too bad at the minute, it's just well, as you can see, it ain't quite got a good gauge. Is your front mud guards. If your front mud guards are wet, like completely wet, it's time to stop. That's, you know, always the old gauge when you're bailing sort of thing. So we're all right for a minute. Yeah, look at that as well, by the way, while I'm on it. If you haven't seen my mate King's video, which got the John Deere 670 in, and he got some of these magnetic flashing lights, and they are bloody good. I had to get some for myself, so I've got 2 packs, so we've got 4 of them, and yeah, stick them on the back of the trailers, or on anything. Like 8-hour battery life, bloody handy. That's a bloody bright, you won't tell on the camera, but that's a bloody bright light, that is. Right, let's get this thing going. Use the brush, it's easier. There she goes. Right, that's that load tipped. And I'll go and jump on the fast track. Because Richard's helping Julie finish off milking, so I might as well take the bigger trailer on the faster tractor to get back there. Because by the time I get back there, the other trailer will be full. Sorted. I'll go off. Yeah, it's really dull now, lot. Really dull. I'm still trying to spit with rain, but I think it'll be all right. Seem to have taken to Dave. Yeah, he's proved even more popular than I hoped he'd be. I didn't think it'd be old Dangerous Dave would be as popular as he is, but no. So I'm glad, you know, you get a couple of stupid comments that you know. It's not worth worrying about, like, but on the whole, I mean, you took it on board perfectly. It's a bit of fun with a serious message, that's all it is. And yeah, I mean, Dave will be getting up to all sorts of trouble. You know, in coming episodes, he's going to be a regular feature. He's going to be my mate, old Dave is. And we're going to go on some adventures together. But, yeah, I'm glad you lot really sort of took to him more. Right, so I've just got back to the fast track. Richard and father-in-law are still there. They'll fill the 2 T7s up. It should get done as well. So yeah, be a good day that was, because we didn't get going as early as we wanted, but yeah, not a bad day. So yeah, good to see that sort of little and large, the 780 next to our 310. It just shows you how far combines have come in the past 20 years. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, the fast track has just developed a fault. I don't know if you can see me very well. Hold on a minute. Yeah, you should be able to see me. The air conditioning fan, which is up there, the blower, sits in this sort of recess there has packed up. It's blowing fuses straight away. So that is a right pain in the arse, because it's not easy to get to. The headline has to come down. It's right old faff like. So I've got to sort that out at some point. But at least you know, time being, I've got the side windows. You can just pop them open, let a bit of air in, like. But yeah, I've got to get that sorted. So another job. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that little vid, and I will see you on the next one. Ta-ta!